Hello everyone, welcome to Let's Study My Way. In our previous video, we explored the complete story of the pot maker with its detailed summary and explanation. If you haven't watched it yet, I highly recommend checking it out first. In today's video, we'll go one step further. We'll discuss the important themes and exam-oriented questions with their answers that can help you score better in your exams. So keep your notebook ready and let's begin. So, our themes of the story. The pot maker. First theme is tradition versus modernization and economic hardship. I repeat, tradition versus modernization and economic hardship. Now, I'm describing the theme. The story shows the struggle between following traditional skills and choosing easier or better paying jobs. Pot making is important for culture, but it involves a lot of hard work and does not help earn much money. This creates a conflict between tradition and modern life. आई होप यू आर गेटिंग. जैसे कि आपने स्टोरी में पढ़ा था कि पॉट मेकर स्टोरी में ट्रेडिशन था उनका ट्रेडिशन कस्टम जो चलता आ रहा था वो था पॉट मेकिंग का. तो ये पॉट मेकिंग जनरेशन टू जनरेशन ये नॉलेज को पास ऑन कर रहे थे. तो इस ट्रेडिशन की वजह से इकोनॉमिक हार्डशिप क्या थी कि इसमें मेहनत बहुत ज़्यादा थी, लेकिन जो अर्निंग थी वो बहुत कम थी. वो ट्रबल्स के टाइम पर भी इतनी हेल्प नहीं हो पाती थी. तो यहाँ स्ट्रगल दिखाया हुआ है ट्रेडिशनल स्किल्स में और बेटर पेइंग जॉब्स के लिए, जो हमारे ट्रेडिशन और हमारी मॉडर्न लाइफ के बीच में कॉन्फ्लिक्ट क्रिएट कर रहा है. Now next theme is the transmission of knowledge across generations. As I have already told you, this was a tradition, so it was duty of that community to pass on their knowledge of pot making to next generation. So explanation is the story shows how skills are passed from one generation to another. Arenilla teaches in a quiet and distant way, while Onula teaches with care and support. This shows that learning needs both skill and encouragement. Next one is community ownership of cultural knowledge. I repeat, community ownership of cultural knowledge. The story shows that traditional skills belong to the whole community, not just one person. Skilled people have a duty to teach others so that the tradition continues. देखो हर थीम में हम इनके ट्रेडिशन के बारे में बात करें क्योंकि स्टोरी का मेन सेंटर ही हमारा पॉट मेकिंग है. तो यहाँ कम्युनिटी की ओनरशिप है कि वो कल्चरल नॉलेज को आगे पास, या उनकी ड्यूटी है आगे पास करेंगे, और इसकी ड्यूटी जो स्किल्ड पीपल होते हैं उनको भी दी जाती थी. नाउ नेक्स्ट इज पैशन, परसिवरेंस एंड आइडेंटिटी. पैशन, perseverance and identity. Scintilla's strong passion and hard work help her succeed. She does not give up even after many failures. Her success shows that following one's passion helps in building identity and achieving goals. Next, women's labor and gendered work. देखो आपने यहाँ देखा होगा कि ओन्युला, एरेनला, ग्रैंड मदर, यही उन्हें सेंटिला को पॉट मेकिंग सिखा रही थी. मतलब ये वुमेन का ही काम था कि नेक्स्ट जनरेशन अपनी बेटियों को सिखाना. तो औरतें ही ये काम कर रही हैं, मिट्टी लेके आना, उसमें क्ले को सॉफ्ट एंड डो में रेडी करना एट्सेट्रा. तो यहाँ पर द स्टोरी हाईलाइट्स द हार्ड वर्क डन बाय वुमेन. पॉट मेकिंग लुक्स सिंपल बट is actually very tiring. It shows how women's work is often not fully recognized even though it requires great skill and effort. So these were the themes of the story Pot Maker. I hope you understood. Now let's come to the exam oriented questions which will surely help you in your exams if you listen carefully and frame your answers yourself after taking help from my video. Now, first question, how does the village community's perspective on traditional skills differ from Arena's individual experience? Now understand the meaning of this question. Village community का perspective क्या था कि traditional skills को पास ऑन करना, लेकिन एरेनला का इंडिविजुअल एक्सपीरियंस था कि ये बहुत टायरिंग है और उन्हें उनकी बेटी को ये कंटिन्यू नहीं करना चाहिए ये ट्रेडिशन, क्योंकि इसकी जगह वो वीविंग कर ले तो ज़्यादा अच्छा है. The now answer is the village sees pot making as an important tradition that must be continued by everyone, but Arenla sees it as very hard work with little money. This creates a conflict between the community's duty to preserve culture and an individual's need for a better and easier life. Next question is analyze the significance of the final line. Important question this is. A new pot maker was born. I repeat this question. Analyze the significance of the final line or last line. A new pot maker was born. This line shows that Centilla has fully learned the skill and become a real pot maker. The word born suggests a new beginning in her life. It also shows that the tradition will continue even after her mother's death, as her mother was really a good, excellent pot maker. What role does Onula play in Centilla's journey to becoming a pot maker? Onula acts as a kind and supportive teacher. She guides Centilla properly, encourages her, and helps her overcome her difficulties. She understands her problem and helps her make her first pot. Her teaching shows that support and patience are important in learning. Next question. Do you think pot making is easy? If yes, why? If no, why not? So my answer is no, pot making is not easy. It requires great skill, patience and physical strength. The potter has to dig clay, carry heavy loads, pound and soften it and carefully shape it on the wheel. Even a small mistake in shaping or firing the pots in the kiln can spoil the entire batch. Therefore, it's a difficult and demanding craft. Next, would Centilla be able to fulfill her dream of becoming a pot maker? So yes, Centilla would be able to fulfill her dream, although she faced many difficulties in the beginning and failed several times, and she did not give up. With guidance from Onula and by carefully observing her mother, she gained confidence and improved her skills. In the end, she successfully made a full batch of pots almost equal to her mother's. This shows that her dream was finally realized. Next question. Analyze the significance of timing and causation in the story's conclusion. Does Centilla's mastery cause Arenla's death, or is it coincidental? What does the ambiguity contribute? The story ends with Centilla achieving success at the same time her mother dies. It is not clear whether her success caused the death or if it was a coincidence. Centilla feels guilty as if her achievement led to the loss. This creates strong emotional impact. The unclear connection makes the ending more powerful and meaningful. It shows that life is complex, where happiness and sadness can come together. The moment that should bring joy instead brings pain and loss. This ambiguity helps readers think deeply about the cost of success and emotional side of inheriting skills and traditions. It makes the story more touching and realistic. Ambiguity means when we understand one thing in different way, means something is unclear. तो ambiguity का मतलब यहाँ कुछ अस्पष्ट है कि हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा कि एक ही मतलब हम अलग अलग मतलब ले सकते हैं किसी भी बात का, तो उसकी वजह से वो unclear हो जाता है. That is ambiguity. Next question is, discuss the symbolism of the two identical rows of the pots at the story's conclusion. So answer is, the two rows of pots show that Centilla has learned the craft perfectly. They look the same, showing her success. It also means that tradition will continue even after her mother's death, and her skills will live on through her daughter. Next, and the last question of this video, what does Centilla's cry at her mother's death reveal about the story's emotional complexity? I repeat, what does Centilla's cry at her mother's death reveal about the story's emotional complexity? Now answer is, Centilla's cry reveals the story's deep emotional complexity by highlighting the bittersweet intersection of success and profound grief. Her anguished plea to her dead mother conveys a mix of intense guilt, shock, Validation, emphasizing the generational sacrifice required to preserve cultural traditions. So these were the important questions from exam point of view. अगर ये वीडियो आपको सच में अच्छी लगी हो तो do not forget to like this video and share this video. और कुछ और बेहतर के लिए आप कमेंट भी कर सकते हैं. Once again, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe my channel and stay connected for these kind of videos.